Alright, so welcome to Unit 4 Review. I put together a few questions that I think would be helpful to give some effort and try. But most of the questions that you should be doing are all the questions from the lessons that we've done. So any question that was in a video or that we did in class is something that you should be able to feel really comfortable with and understand how to solve. And the key here is understanding, not just the unit circle, but what sine and cosine functions are, how they are graphed, what are their characteristics, those types of things. And if you truly understand that, any question from the lesson shouldn't be too hard. So these questions, in addition to any questions from previous lessons, either videos or in class that you have in your notebook, and also any quiz question, I would definitely dig those up, and you can obviously come by and ask for a particular quiz, and I can print it out for you if you need to. So study hard. You definitely give these questions a try as well. I'm going to post the solutions to them, but not until later on in the weekend, because I want to give you incentive to try these on your own. You should treat this as a practice test. Maybe go through, find some other questions, particularly on graphing sinusoidal functions, or looking at a graph and figuring out what the sinusoidal function should be, and also creating sinusoidal functions from situations. We just had a quiz on that. Redoing some of those questions would be very, very helpful, and so I recommend giving that a try as well. Alright, so you've reached the end. At this point, I'm going to advise you to go back and do some questions from the videos and from your notes, particularly ones where you're creating sinusoidal functions or looking at graphs of sinusoidal functions or graphing sinusoidal functions. Those are going to be, those are not some questions I included in here, so you're going to have to go back and pick some on your own. Don't look at your notes, and I will try and get to any questions if you post them on the YouTube videos before the end of the weekend.